Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied accounts on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search for AI Chatbot Nova. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.